Hey guys, it's your boy Mark here. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we'll be talking about Cardano, aka ADA. Some people prefer to call it the Utero killer. The whole cryptocurrency saga started with the digital code called Bitcoin, which took the world by surprise in 2009 when a mysterious man called Satoshi Nakamoto created Bitcoin. Then comes Utero in 2015 with a smart contract capability. Cardano was launched in 2017 with abilities Utero and Bitcoin never had, called scalability, interoperability, and sustainability. During my research about Cardano, I categorized Cardano in 6 contents, which is what is Cardano, the purpose of Cardano, what differentiates Cardano from other cryptocurrency, the architecture of Cardano, the reasons why investors see Cardano to be a good potential, and my view about Cardano. What is Cardano? It's an open source blockchain for building, for running smart contracts and decentralized protocols. You can also call Cardano a third generation blockchain or Crypto 3.0. Cardano is the blockchain while ADA is the token of cryptocurrency used for transactions in the blockchain. And the name ADA was gotten from a British first world programmer called Ada Lovelace. The founder of Cardano is Charles Hoskinson, who is also a co-founder of Utero, who saw all the challenges Utero and Bitcoin was facing with massive energy and with scalability, and he said, I need to actually create something that can be good, that the world can use, and that can be scalable, and that will use low transaction fees. That is how he was like, I'm going to create an Utero killer. Sorry, I'm just joking, guys. I mean Cardano. And he created the third generation blockchain called Crypto 3.0, Cardano. Cardano blockchain was built for a sustainable future, and the Cardano hard fork is to move Cardano from where it is right now to where it is destined to go. It's more like revolutionizing cryptocurrency, if the word revolutionizing actually even have a good meaning. Anyway, just try your best to revolutionize that like button and turn it blue, because this helps to promote my YouTube channel and helps to promote me getting more content out like this. Cardano started with a vision of a world without middlemen. What I mean by middlemen is the intermediaries, mostly the intermediary banks. If you want to make an international transfer, let's say from America to Africa, your money will have to pass through what is called the intermediary bank. So the intermediary bank is the one who's going to decide either to allow the money you are sending from America to Africa to go through, or if the money will have to go back to the sender's account, or if the money will have to go to the receiver's account. The other main purpose here is just to vanish intermediary, like just to take them away, and whereby you have authority to send money to anywhere you want, and you have the authority to do whatever you want to do with your money and send it without an intermediary trying to decide who sends money or who receives money. This is the kind of great possibilities Cardano is bringing in the world of transactions. What differentiates Cardano from other cryptocurrencies? First, I'm going to start with talking about Bitcoin. Bitcoin was first created to solve the problem of central authority controlling transactions. It is secured and also built in a very simple way, just like me, just like the way I was built. I'm kidding, guys, sorry. Bitcoin confirms transactions slow and uses massive energy. Bitcoin is still the first generation blockchain. A total of 21 million Bitcoin was created, and over 80 million is already in circulation. Utero is the second generation blockchain and was created with smart contracts and decentralized apps called dApps. But Utero have a problem, which is it uses very high gas fee and it is not scalable. The number of Utero coins, which is Ether, created out there is in infinity. It is just limitless. And over 116 million Ethers that is in circulation currently, and you can always mine Ether. Ether is not going to finish, but if with the latest upgrade that is coming in Utero, there's high tendency the latest upgrade is going to make Utero where the specific amount of Ether can be controlled, because currently people can mine Ether to infinity. Ether is not going to finish at all. Here is what differentiates Cardano from Utero and Bitcoin. And Cardano is the third generation blockchain, but Cardano is not actually the only cryptocurrency that falls in the category of third generation blockchain. Polkadot and Cosmos also falls at the category of third generation blockchain. Cardano solves the problem of scalability, interoperability, and sustainability issues Bitcoin and Utero was having. Scalability being Cardano is able to process large amount of transactions without affecting the network itself. Interoperability being Cardano supports multiple currency across various blockchains. It supports cross-chain transfers and also the use of smart contracts. Sustainability being Cardano uses a proof-of-stake consensus protocol called Ouroboros, which helps Cardano to confirm transactions faster and uses less amount of energy compared to like Ethereum or Bitcoin, that uses a proof-of-work protocol that encourages miners to spend huge amount of money in computing power in order to mine Ethereum and Bitcoin, and also it confirms transactions really late. The architecture Cardano uses is very interesting. Just listen to this. The Cardano blockchain is formed into two layers, the CSL layer and the CCL layer. The CSL layer mean Cardano settlement layer and the CCL layer mean Cardano computing layer. The Cardano settlement layer does the peer-to-peer transactions so easily, it confirms it so easily, while the Cardano CC layer does the smart contracts so easily. And these two layers, they operate separately, where they don't affect each other, or they don't lag, or they don't slow down anytime there's anything like upgrades in Cardano. Unlike Ethereum that uses only one layer, that is the reason why Ethereum has a congestion during transactions and slows transactions also, and uses high gas fees. And Cardano still says to Ethereum yet again, here I am, I'm your killer. Now it's time to talk about the advantages of Cardano. First is the security. The Ouroboros protocol Cardano uses makes its security to be a guarantee, and the Cardano peer review papers was presented to the top tier conferences and publications that specializes on cybersecurity and cryptography. The power consumption of Cardano is very less because it uses a proof-of-stake protocol, and Cardano is very decentralized because it does not allow a central authority to validate any transaction. Cardano has seamless upgrades. Normally, blockchains upgrade with hard forks. When upgraded with hard forks, the current protocol will stop operating until the new protocol is being implemented. And when the new protocol is implemented, then the old protocol with the history of the old protocol can be erased. And this thing causes disruptions when upgrading with hard forks in blockchains. But Cardano does not work this way. Cardano handles hard forks in a very different way. It ensures a smooth transition of upgrade without even interrupting the users that is using Cardano blockchain at the moment, and it makes sure the old history also is not being erased or deleted during upgrades. I don't know if you have experienced when banks are having a kind of maintenance in their networks, you find out that the bank app or the online browser app is having some delay, or it's not even allowing transaction, or probably the bank app does not open at all. This is the kind of stuff that Cardano tries the best to prevent when making upgrades. I'm going to tell you about my view about Cardano. Do I see Cardano kind of outperforming Bitcoin and Ethereum in the future? It is possible, but I think it's better to just wait to see what the future holds. But I see Cardano actually really going high in value, going above the price it is currently right now in value, you know. But for Cardano to reach the price Ethereum or Bitcoin is going to be very hard, because for Cardano to just reach a value of $35, Cardano must have a market cap within around $1 trillion. Cardano is a good cryptocurrency to look into. Just spend your time and bring out time to make more research about Cardano and find out if Cardano is actually a cryptocurrency you should add to your portfolio. I'm going to add this in this video. Just remember, in the world of technology, it's not always the best technology that wins, but the technology that has the best business strategy. I would like to add, I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just a guy who loves to talk about crypto, who loves crypto, and who trade crypto also. Just have a blessed day out there. Make sure you subscribe, make sure you like the video, and make sure you comment for more videos. I always appreciate it. I do appreciate it. It's your boy Mark signing out. Peace, guys.